In this video, come along as I show you how to make these super easy, soft and fluffy, delicious pretzel recipes. The full recipe will be linked down below in the description box so you can follow along. So get ready as I break down this delicious recipe. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So starting off, I'm going to show you how to make the pretzel dough. First thing first, we're going to combine the water, the sugar, and the yeast in a large bowl. After adding the yeast, we're going to let this sit for about 5 to 10 minutes until it gets nice and foamy. That's how you know the yeast is activated. Now we're going to add our flour. Next, you're going to be adding your oil, and you could use oil or butter, it's optional. Next, we're going to mix our ingredients until our dough forms. So we're going to continue to let this mix, that way we don't have to knead after the dough forms. Just a quick tip. Now we're going to add oil to a bowl, and we're just going to spread it around with our hands, and then we're just going to place the dough back into the bowl and let it rise for about 45 minutes. Now we're just going to boil 10 cups of water, and then we're going to add 2/3 cups of baking soda. We're just going to let this come to a boil. Then we're going to add our pretzels. So now that our dough has expanded, we're going to go ahead and cut our dough up and start rolling it out into our pizza forms. And it's super easy to do. All you have to do is just roll it out long enough or as big as you want the pretzel to be. And just like that, we shaped ourselves a pretzel. And you can stretch it out a bit with your hands just to make it a little bit bigger, as I am doing here. So now that our water and baking soda have came to a boil, we're going to go ahead and add our pretzels. And we're just going to let this lightly bath for about 30 seconds. And then we're going to hurry and take them out because you don't want to overcook them or it's going to just taste like baking soda. Now we're just going to remove and place them over on a baking sheet, and make sure you got a big enough spatula because they're still kind of flimsy at this point. So now we're just going to add a little egg wash, which is 1 egg yolk and 1 tablespoon of water, and we're just going to place that on top, and this is just going to make it nice and golden brown. So now that our oven have already been preheated, we're going to go ahead and place these into the oven on 450 for about 12 to 14 minutes. So while our pretzels are in the oven baking, we're going to go ahead and start by making our cinnamon sugar, because I am going to make half of these sweet and half just be savory. And all you're going to need for this is 1 cup of sugar and about 2 tablespoons of cinnamon. And we're just going to mix this until it gets well combined. So now that our pretzels are out of the oven, we're going to go ahead and top it off with some melted butter. And guys, look how golden brown those are. They look so good and they taste even better. So now we're just going to add some salt on top. And these are going to be our plain ones.
I be kissing what I'm kissing, what I miss, won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off your love, I don't know how to behave. Brown
Next, we're going to just add our pretzels into our cinnamon sugar mixture, and we're just going to toss it around until they're completely coated with the cinnamon sugar.
sugar, when you're close to me, you love me right down to my knees, and whenever you let me hit it, sweet like honey when it comes to me.
And just like that, we made ourselves some delicious homemade pretzels. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to another video. And if you enjoy content like this, please don't forget to hit a like. And if you haven't already done so, subscribe and join the family. So until the next video, I hope you guys stay safe out there, and peace. And let me know if you try this recipe. Leave it down below and let me know if you guys will try this.
Brown sugar got me open, now I want some more. Always down for my nauseous swine, but I think I'm here to solo. Hope my niggas don't mind. Stick out my tongue and I'm about ready to hit this pretty bitty with persistence. Yo, I don't think y'all hit me. Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave.